Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and in this week's vlog we're going to go over the stunning detail finished look of this X5. So in front of me we have wheel options that we offer for the new BMW X5 and X6. These are both 22 inch. The good thing about these is you can upgrade from a 21 to the 22, or you can use your existing tyres and just do a tyre swap out. Now later in this vlog you will see a full brand new 25 plate X5 that we've had done for an AC Schnitzer front end, side skirt spoiler, in for full paint correction, detail, coating, and he picks a set of wheels. So here are the two choices. We have here on the left hand side, my left should I say, AC Schnitzer. They offer this in full black, or like this one here, the bi-colour. This is quite a chunky looking wheel. The original wheels from factory are quite thin, a bit sort of spokey, and they don't actually look like they would take the weight of the vehicle very well. This is a perfect OEM replacement. With that two-tone finish, it mirrors what's on it from factory, and of course you have a wider rear, so you get that nice dish onto it. Well, here on this other side we have our MW10. This is more of a factory OEM wheel. This is a really aftermarket looking wheel. It brings back that cross-spoke design from BMW's yesteryear, keeps that lattice theme going, and of course with the 3D centre cap gives it a nice bit of detail. And this wheel comes in a number of different paint finishes. I'm sure you've seen in last week's vlog we had a gloss polished finish on an X5. This is the gloss black. We also do them in carbon grey, Porsche Neodyme Gold, and the BMW Frozen Gold as well. Now the customer's car behind us, he hasn't gone for either one of these paint finishes or wheels, so you have to stay to the end of the vlog to see which he's picked for. So one of the fun things about working here is obviously always trying to build what customers' cars look like. Now of course we'll get phone calls and emails saying, hey, can we add this, can we build this? But one of the things we should do, we don't really generally ask, is what colour the car is. So we of course get really excited to see a car coming in for wheels and springs, always wondering what colour it is. Behind me we have an absolute stunning specs M3 Touring. Take a look at the interior, it is perfect. Nicely added on with the AC Schnitzer footrest and pedal set, and of course the top spoiler. Now the M3s have that horrible little tiny little black spoiler on the top, but this is a lot more aggressive and it works with the black roof. Now on Eibach springs, and as you can see we've paired it up with the MW4 finished in the Porsche GT4 RS Neodyme Gold. It's an 8.5/20 front and 11/21 rear, matched with the Yokohama Advan V107, which actually is a BMW star rated tyre. It's a tyre size they use on the 1000M wheels, but what a look. The rear wheel with a concave is the deepest we offer. It's 105mm concave, so you get that really nice dish. Because the wheels are an ET8, we can bring them right the way in and of course pour that dish out. Unfortunately, not all cars are the same, but these G-Series BMWs really take a big offset wheel. Let us know what you think. Is this a setup that you would like? Dravit Grey, ceramics, Tortifo brown interior, and the Neodyme Gold wheels. In a world where you'll just constantly see Range Rovers on the road, whether it's Defenders or the Sports or the bigger ones, it's nice to start to see some of these. One of the plans was when we release the 22-inch wheels to hopefully see more X5s coming in, and if you've seen some of the previous vlogs, that is starting to happen. We had a black one in for the M Performance body kit with the gloss polished wheels, and now this one. This is a brand new 25 plate black X5 M40D. Currently sitting on our 22-inch MWX wheel finished in Neodyme Gold. Very similar to the previous one we've done before, it's just a tyre swap out, so it keeps costs really down, and of course a bit more aggressive on the fitment, wider rear just gives it that perfect stance. Customers have already been in before on an M340D and he's upgrading to this one here. While it was also here, the guys have worked hard on it and got it through the detailing bay. Being black and having a lot of black plastics on the car, you've got to machine them and spend a bit of time getting them coated. Obviously the customer's having this for a little bit of time, and we all want the cars to look as fresh as this. So it is now leaving us completely coated head to toe in Crystal Serum Ultra, which is going to give it a 9-year protection, top of the XO V5, which will really help with the beading properties. Then we'll go to the front of the car. This is the LCI car, so this actually now has the new improved headlamps, the new grille, which actually does light up. It's going to be a bit difficult to show because it's quite sunny here today. But added a front splitter. Now what's good about this one, this is the AC Schnitzer 3-part front splitter. So it has 2 drop downs either side that we've had painted in body colour, and then the lower splitter in the middle, which is in gloss black, just to keep in them with that theme. Now going back to the gloss black theme, it has these side skirts as well from AC Schnitzer, which are quite nice to give it this sort of triangle, sort of rear-ended look to make the whole car look a bit wider at the back. Not that it needs it, it's pretty big to start with, but it sort of flows down the side nicely and then just kicks out, and it still works with, of course, the puddle lights as well. Rear of the car is finished off with a top spoiler, again painted body colour, and the all-important AC Schnitzer bumper protection strip as well. Being a SUV, these do get obviously quite high when people are putting stuff in them, so it stops marks and things like that getting scratched. Overall, what a stunning car. Wheel is probably my favourite part of it, and obviously the colour combination being in the Neodyme, which is the Porsche GT4 RS Gold, combined with the 3D cap, absolutely looks stunning with the red calipers behind it. What a look. Let's get it outside and enjoy the B-roll.